How to download Fortnite on Xbox Series S or X. On the home screen of your Xbox dashboard here, you want to click up on the D-pad or the left stick to get to the top menu. Go to the right, then click A on search. Then you want to type in Fortnite. It should be popping up after a few letters. Click A on it once you see it, after scrolling to it there. Then in the bottom left hand corner, click A on install. Then you should see on the dashboard home screen of your Xbox, it should be installing. You can go ahead and pause the installation, play other games, but then you can come back to it and then you'll need to make sure it fully installs to 100%. You can check that by going into My Games and Apps and looking at the bottom left hand corner. You'll be able to see the megabytes and gigabytes left there. And you can also go into queue and see the exact percentage of the download. You'll have to wait until it gets 100%. Once it's at 100%, you can click A on the game. Then you'll be able to play Fortnite as you wish. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.